Yeah. Is it better now?
Check. Yeah. It's fixed. Thank you.
So, ठीक है अभी how's this weight thing affecting you overall, health-wise? See, I mean, I'm pretty sure why I have hypertension is because of the weight. Um,
This comes up in your reports.
yeah, and I'm on meds for it. Then my cholesterol recently hit the roof, so I'm on meds for that also.
Energy levels throughout the day. How's that?
शाम तक I'm a little exhausted, but I generally like do a 15-20 minute का nap, which somehow gives me better energy, and then I'm again able to work. Yeah.
Nap happens in the afternoon, no? Post lunch.
No, evening. Afternoon में कहाँ भाई ऑफिस में सोना थोड़ी है.
Like down south maybe मिलता है ऐसे में.
कुछ भी नहीं है इंडिया में पूरा वही है भाई.
ठीक है. Cholesterol and hypertension, diabetes वगैरह तो कुछ नहीं है.
You can say pre-diabetic, the 5.5 HbA1c.
That side mom side पे तो नहीं है.
है. Both dad and mom are diabetic and hypertensive.
Any other thing I should be aware of in terms of lifestyle? Genes, genetic कुछ?
Genetic तो not much. I'm on anti-anxiety medication as well. I'm on Certa. That's it. These are the three things.
Yeah. Yeah, bro. These all things, huh? This needs to be fixed. All of these are very lifestyle-based thingy. Hypertension, cholesterol. I would say anxiety, diabetes भी type 2 ही है ना. Type 2
नहीं diabetes नहीं है. I'm not
pre-diabetic है. Pre-diabetic है. ठीक है. तो ये तो fix करना पड़ेगा, bro. This is not a healthy way to this thing, huh? And वही है organ health, ये सब चीज़ें पता होनी चाहिए हमारे को on a regular basis, हाँ. कि organ health क्या है, metabolism कैसा चल रहा है. Once the food is going in, are the levels going crazy inside the body? So that needs to be fixed, huh? So idea is to be healthy, and then rest everything become like weight loss, energy levels, all of these things just become byproduct of that, right? DNA test is nothing, just to measure all of these things for good, right? How's your organ health right now? It's a basic saliva sample based test. Are you there, Pratap? Your screen is stuck.
Okay. I'm able to hear you clearly. Yeah.
Yeah.
आपका screen stuck.
So what
Which not otherwise.
Yeah. So what I was saying ki we got to focus on 4 things, to keep this metabolism and everything in check. First is your organ health. What organs need attention right now? Liver health कैसा है, heart health कैसा है, intestinal digestion, ये सब चीज़ें देखा is very, very crucial. How's your metabolism level right now? By that I mean constant monitoring of it. By that I mean once the thing goes in, once the food goes in, how are these levels changing? Then is if there's any nutrition missing, energy levels are बहुत low है, कुछ ना कुछ तो है, right? And weight in itself is not a disease, it's a symptom, right? Fever is not a disease, it's a symptom. There is something happening under that needs to be fixed, and then you अपने आप से ही you start losing weight. So idea is to be healthy, fix all these things, your weight, your metabolism, figure out your fitness type. कोई जेनेरिक ज्ञान नहीं, वही सेम. अच्छा ये कर लेते हैं, ये फैट बढ़ा देते हैं, आपका ना कार्ब 20 वो कर देते हैं. Nothing of that sort. So it has to be backed by data that you can use for the rest of your life and get this thing out of the way once and for all, right? Weight loss has to be a fairly simple deal, bro. It's not like you're training for Olympics or anything. You have to daily monitor each and every meal that's going in. कि अगले महीने Olympics आने वाले. It's weight loss, and it should not take you more than, I would say, 90 days to start actually seeing like proper results in terms of your weight, because 160 है तो इसमें से बहुत सारा water weight भी है ना, जो कि you'll start losing quickly, but I'm talking about the proper weight that's there, है ना. So after you shed out the water weight, the weight that remains, वो is the main focus. So we have to get you down to at least 100-110 कि you're feeling कि हाँ थोड़ा और move करें, and you have to feel nicer in your body ताकि motivation maintain रहे. Like you said, gym जा रहा हूँ पर फिर discontinue कर रहा हूँ. If you start liking something, you would not discontinue. हाँ,
Right.
है ना. So it has to make you feel nice. That is the purpose of it, and it also is a parameter to judge it if it's moving in the right direction or not. Huh?
Okay.
And since it's a new thing, that would be like a hand holding that would be needed. If I will ask like people from my team to hop on a call with you on a regular basis, that would be like a nutritionist and a fitness guy who can check your posture correction and all of these things. And like I'm telling you, within 90 days, you'll be in a much, much better position. But like I said, it all has to be backed by data, which is going to come in from the DNA test. Okay, good. So DNA test, DNA hair से होता है, skin से होता है, saliva से होता है. Saliva gives the most accurate data sets. Can we send you a DNA kit, like it's a suitcase of sort, you open that, tubes होता है उसके अंदर, you put saliva sample, of course. You'll receive a call of how to do that. There is a specific measure you've got to take in terms of oral hygiene, etc. So वो होता है, you lock that in, parcel is already, taken care of. It reaches to our lab, report gets generated, and that's, a guy from a med team hops on a call with you, right? Tell you everything about your health, bro. Because gene test is not like a blood test जो कि 2 दिन के लिए valid है, हफ्ते के लिए valid है. Gene composition remains 98%, 99% same throughout the life, right? From the time you take birth to like the whole life, it remains the same 99% of the time. Unless there's a modification, like वो rarely होती है, वो that's a dysfunction, वो नहीं होएगा. But अगर है भी तो उसको we'll try and fix this. Why I asked you dad side, mom side कुछ है? Because अभी नहीं है. अगर if your genes are showing that you're susceptible to expressing that later, we can take those measures so that it doesn't express itself later. है ना? तो DNA का ये purpose होता है. It tells you about right now and what is going to happen in future. Right? So base is that we know the organ health, we know what nutrition is missing, what is the metabolism right now, and what's the fitness type. Once we have locked this in, then we give you the like parameters for the next 90 days, and I guarantee you, though, you will be in a much, much healthier state. We've got people who have like 20 kgs, 40 kgs extra weight, that what you said, 160, and we've been able to help them. So we will definitely be able to help you. Do not worry about it. Okay? And this would be the last thing you'll be going for in terms of your weight loss and weight management, because there are better things in life to do. So yeah, this is stuff.
Yeah, let's get to the like painful parts of this. How how much would it cost? क्या है, and how do you like do that bit of the thing?
Yeah. So for the basic DNA, this thing we circle DNA and everything, we charge a lakh for this. But like for the people who have joined in through the scientific group, it's like a marketing thing that we are doing. So we're just offering everything that I told you about, the DNA test, nutrition consultation, fitness consultation, for just 20,000 rupees, 19,900 to be precise, only for a couple of people who have come through this.
Okay.
It's like a marketing thing that we are doing, bro.
Okay.
Okay. And then we'll later reach out to you, hey, Pratap, just give us the testimonial if you can, or sort of. So it's a marketing thing that we are.
So, do you have an app through which you do this, or and how is the management of the things that happens? I mean, the coach and all of the other things.
Yeah. So it's pretty manual right now. The nutrition and the fitness guy is going to be reaching out to you on Gmeet, on WhatsApp. क्योंकि दिन में 3 बार ही करना होगा ना उनको. They'll have to reach out to you, breakfast, lunch, and वो. Not over the call, but of course they would want to see the portion you're putting and everything. Because at least 90 days के लिए you'll have to do this, huh? This is like a hand holding bit. might seem like too much right now, but they want to be able to measure and monitor everything. So if they ask you, ki, how can you send the image, please do that and share it with them, ताकि they can keep a check on this. And after 90 days, you'll get into the groove of it, so you would not need hand holding, but they're still like a message away, these guys. So
ठीक है ठीक है. Is there a sample report that you can show me, Arpit, of this DNA test?
yeah, I'll pull that up on the screen now. Wait a sec.
Just so that I have an idea of the kind of insights it is. I know you should be able to read it also. So just
Yeah. This is a sample report. वैसे तो it's very medical in nature, but this is the one that is given to you so that you also understand what's happening. So yeah, this is how it looks like, the weight loss genome. And yeah, it comes like proper book sort of thingy. It starts with nutrition, right? So we divide this into 4 parameters: high, intermediate, normal, low. So जैसे अभी calcium deficiency normal, intermediate. Magnesium it says high risk. So we first fix this because of course magnesium कम है तो heart health पे direct effect होएगा, फिर उससे बाकी चीजें affect होएगी. So yeah, we fix in this case magnesium, we fix this, then we move on to the intermediate, normal, and then low risk, है ना? Except vitamin B12, low risk. So this would be the least of our concern right now. So we start with the high risk, intermediate, then we move on to the normal, and then low. Once this is fixed, your nutrition is fixed, right? Your energy levels are going to be balanced and everything. Then we move on to body weight and metabolism. How is the body behaving as the food is going in, right? BMI, carb and weight gain कितना हो रहा है, fat metabolism कितना है, insulin sensitivity क्या है, ये सारी चीजें आएगी, प्रोटीन इनटेक कितना है, BMI चेंज कितना हो रहा है उससे. देन ये एक पैरामीटर है, बिहेवियरल चेंजेस, कैफीन ले रहे हैं उससे क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है बॉडी पर, है ना. देन फिटनेस टाइप आएगा, इज योर बॉडी एरोबिक और एनारोबिक कैपेसिटी, राइट. एनर्जी रिकवरी कितनी है, मसल रिकवरी कितनी है, लिगामेंट स्ट्रेंथ कितनी है, मोटिवेशन टू एक्सरसाइज, मसल सोरनेस रिकवरी कितनी जल्दी हो रही है. And then if there's any allergy, like peanut allergy is pretty common. So if it comes up, lactose है या कोई भी sort of allergy है, if it comes up, we'll get those things out of the diet immediately. If there's any allergy that pops up. So yeah, this is a very comprehensive report. मतलब वैसे तो बहुत सारे parameters होते हैं, but for weight management we just lock it down to nutrition, body metabolism, nutrition, and fitness type. We lock these 3-4 things in, weight loss wouldn't be an issue. Then after this, once you sorted your weight, then we move on to the optimization side of things, which is human longevity, So aging also has to be graceful, right? Abhi I was just watching Zinat Aman Instagram and with what this woman like, this is graceful lady, bro. Calm at it.
ठीक है. No, got it. And you've seen people like take some advantage from it, right?
A lot of advantage from it, bro. A lot, because this is like the last thing that you'll be doing. And I will also give you this thing. If even 1% you feel nothing is moving, I will give the money back to you, that I can assure you. And I'll ask the team to work with you for free. Because this is why I'm working here, because I have the trust in this thing and I've seen things moving which were not happening for a lot of people pehle. Yeah.
ठीक है. Sure, but let's get started on this.
ठीक है. तो एक सेकंड. Send me your name, email ID, phone number, address, and tilkoi. Food and all, how do you manage? Ghar pe cook, how do you manage that?
So my wife cooks. Apart from that,
As you're married?
yeah, I'm married.
ठीक है. Name, ये 4 चीजें I need from you. Name, email ID, phone number, address, and PIN code.
ठीक है. ठीक है सर. I'll send.
I'm अभी
Yes, sir. It's second.
manage with the logistics only, क्योंकि 5 बजे is when we send out all this kit, the thing that I told you about, the kit. We send it 5 बजे for the whole day.
अच्छा, okay. Let me just do it. And then sit a little bit, then
Yeah. The very cool. So yeah, this is the this thing and amount you have to put 19,900 and put the same phone number and email address that you shared with me. Put. Okay. Um,
just a sec.
What do you do for fun and all over the weekends, bro?
19,900 ना.
Yeah.
Fun weekends में भाई क्या ही होगा. Maximum like I go to a restaurant with my wife now. Try something new.
Asa no friends and all area that has stopped over altogether.
No, no, no. Hey, but yeah, I mean some weekends it's them, some weekends it's. आजकल I have a lot of like work going on in the weekends as well. ज़्यादा chill नहीं हो पा रहा है. But हाँ, generally like
Going to the restaurants is there fun.
yeah, I mean there are a lot of new places opening up now.
Mm-hmm.
Through a little bit of a drink, little bit of some new kind of food. And did you get it, dude?
Thanks. Okay. What did I get?
Uh,
The 19,900. Can you send the Razor Pay wala screenshot?
ठीक है.
Mm-hmm. Can you come with the camera also?
एक second.
I think it's just in the camera. Yeah. 19,900 and the bus thing is CJ3. Okay, perfect. Cool. I'll get going on this. So, Abhi, you'll receive a call from the logistics to just confirm the address and pin code. You give them a thumbs up. We'll send it out from you. And then when it reaches to you, I'll appoint Sunanda to you. She's the senior executive, customer care executive. So she will tell you how to like do the further steps of sample collection and then
ठीक
locking in the dispatch back right to the lab.
ठीक है.
Okay.
ठीक.
Let's make this happen now, Pratap. And since you have my WhatsApp, this is my personal only. Month on one, do me a favor, share progress. Rima.
ठीक है. ठीक है. Done, sir. Yes. You instill a lot of confidence, bro, and I'll yeah.
Thank you.
And next year I execute.
Yes, let's make this happen. So, great. Then you two will do have a great weekend ahead. I'll see you. Bye. Bye.